Okay, now, today I'm scrapping this. This was a door handle. It was in the trash at the insurance company I clean. It's very heavy. I'm guessing it's half brass. Never took one of these apart before. Steel. Ooh. Don't know what to do with this. That worked. Magnet doesn't stick to any of that. I doubt it's brass. That's brass, alright. 10. Another piece of brass. Screw. Oh, it's gonna be stubborn. I don't think we're getting that one out. That's only for the lock mechanism anyway. Maybe I can get this stupid snap ring off. Oh. There you go. Snap rings off. Little piece. That's heavy. That's brass. This piece of brass. What we got here? Another little stupid snap ring. Ow! That's a good one. I never learned my lesson. Wear your work gloves. And bleed all over the place now. You get that finger too? That's a nice one. Never learned my lesson. Wonder if I get any extra money for the blood with the brass. Makes me wish I had a pair of them snap ring pliers. All this for a little piece of brass. Got it. These I think are cast aluminum. I don't think they're brass. They're not heavy enough. Yeah, it's cast aluminum. Not that bad. Two nice big heavy pieces of brass. About a pound here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, and don't forget to wear your gloves. I stabbed myself pretty good with this screwdriver. Freaking blood all over my drill. I got blood on my channel locks, blood all over the place. I'm bleeding pretty good here. I don't need stitches or nothing, but probably done scrapping for the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.